To repair all these scratches, I used Bondo, and I found a board that fit on the bottom of the dresser, which created a frame, say, because I wanted the Bondo to be able to sit against something and to get a totally smooth edge at the end. So I took my furniture clamp, clamped the board onto the dresser, and started mixing up my Bondo. Once all my Bondo was totally mixed in together, I started filling in all these scratches with a fair amount. As you can see, it's kind of like icing a cake. I just kept on applying it and then smoothing it out and then applying more and smoothing it out. It doesn't really matter that it's getting on the board because I would take away the board before the Bondo dries 100%. That's a little tip here. When you're filling in any sort of missing area from a piece of furniture, you create, like I said, a frame